You did mention that, the struggle of being a crime journalist or the cases and allegations which were on you.
Journalist Jigna Vora being booked under various sections.
Mumbai Police Crime Branch filed their charge sheet against the arrested journalist Jigna Vora.
वोरा जेडे की हत्या की साजिश में शरीक थी।
It's been 14 years, but believe me, that stigma is still there of a murderer. Society accept नहीं करती है.
Does that haunt you sometimes when you sleep and all that?
Yes, it does. I just wake up and I see, no, I'm at my home.
But do you miss your crime journalism back then?
I should not lie. Yes, I do this.
Not thought of going back to the life of that?
No, I never thought of that. It's been 14 years now. 2011.
Is it a thing कि जो success है will go someday, we should always be prepared for that?
जितना आप arrogant और जितना egoistic होंगे, उतने double force के साथ आप गिरोगे.
True.
जो मेरे साथ हुआ. I was very arrogant. ऐसे. Hi, I'm Jigna Vora. You are watching me on Filmy Beat.
Filmy Beat presents The Talking Stage with A Adi.
Usually हर पर्सनालिटी को मिलकर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि चलो ये एक्टर अच्छा है, चलो ये सिंगर अच्छा है, चलो ये राइटर अच्छा है, चलो ये रियलिटी शोज अच्छे कर लेते हैं. लेकिन आई एम सिटिंग विद अ पर्सनालिटी जो कि जो भी करती हैं बहुत ही अच्छे से कमाल से करती हैं. जिस चीज़ को भी छूती हैं वो सोना बन जाता है. चाहे वो किताबें हों जो लिखी हों. एक किताब लिखी थी तो उस पर स्कूप बनी थी जो नेटफ्लिक्स पर आई. फिर एक और किताब लिखी जा चुकी है जिसके राइट्स खरीदे जा चुके हैं. उस पर एक फिल्म आ रही है यामी गौतम के साथ. सब वो भी हो गया. रियलिटी शोज कमाल किया आपने. जब आप देश की नंबर 1 क्राइम जर्नलिस्ट थी तब भी चर्चे हर जगह थे. हेडलाइंस आपकी थी A to Z. मतलब कि जिग्ना वोरा हैज डन इट, been there, done that, all dusted now. But still, in a hustle of I'll do more. I have to achieve more things. Welcome, Jigna Vora. This is me,
Thank you.
Adi to Filmy Beat. How are you? Like,
I'm great. How are you? You have forgotten me, it seems so.
I am revealing this on camera. I've been calling Jigna ji.
Oh,
I've been.
I know you had called me a couple of times and I was traveling, then writing book.
I guess we were waiting for the book to,
yes.
receive.
It is always good to be out of sight than to keep looking, come back.
बट आपने तो जितने कम बैक किए शायद ही बॉलीवुड के किसी एक्टर ने किए होंगे. जब जितनी बार भी किया फाड़ किया. मतलब कि क्या कहना है?
That's what I feel. कि मुझे लगता है कि ऐसा ही कम बैक होना चाहिए. That people चौंक जाए कि अरे ये गायब थी लेकिन कुछ अच्छा करके आई है.
स्कूप में इतना नाम नहीं आया सामने कि दिस इज अ बुक ऑफ जिग्ना जी. एक स्टेट में डाल दिया होगा, काम खत्म. दैट इज हाउ इट इज. जबकि स्कूप वाज अ सीरीज. A lot of people have felt for it. A lot of people saw the side. And me from this department of journalism of life, of course हम entertainment वाले हैं. जिग्ना जी don't like entertainment journalists that much.
ऐसा नहीं है.
But in general, but मुझे भी एहसास हुआ कि यार this is a world, where you've been there, done that. फिर सीरीज ने कमाल भी बहुत किया. अब एक और जो आपकी किताब है उसके राइट्स ले लिए गए. हक करके, जिसमें इमरान हाशमी हैं और यामी गौतम हैं, वो दोनों आ रहे हैं फिल्म को लेकर. अब क्या सीन है मुझे बताएं.
फर्स्ट तो मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी आदि कि मुझे एंटरटेनमेंट से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैं ऑन कैमरा बोल रही हूँ. उस टाइम पे भी बिग बॉस में भी बोला था मैंने कि हमको सिखाया जाता है ना कॉलेज में कि ये एंटरटेनमेंट बीट है, ये क्राइम बीट है. तो एनीवेज, jokes apart, you guys are doing much better, I think so. I can see your struggles. I've seen your people on your toes and I really appreciate it. So yes, thank you for being a part of a society and helping society to come to know the facts.
True.
And about your question, yes, Scoop mein people knew, then they googled it. So they knew, okay, this is a story of one lady reporter who is Jigna Vora and what happened with me. Everybody came to know about it. But yes, I do admit it, वो recognition नहीं थी. But कहीं ना कहीं Scoop की वजह से Big Boss हुआ. And Big Boss gave me a very good platform. लोगों ने मुझे देखा.
Yes.
24 घंटे देखा कि मैं रोती भी हूँ क्योंकि मेरा एक लेबल लग चुका है कि आई एम ए स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमन. बट नहीं, मैं भी एक इंसान हूँ.
True.
और मुझे भी दुख होता है और छोटी छोटी बातों के लिए जैसे बाकी औरतें रोती है मैं भी उतनी ही रोती हूँ. फीलिंग्स है, वो मदरली फीलिंग्स है, मेरे खुद का बच्चा है। तो मैं बिग बॉस में गई, मैं सबसे बड़ी थी, सब मेरे से छोटे थे, तो वो एक प्यार बाहर आया। एंड अभी की बुक की बात की जाए, यस अगेन इट इज वो बुक है एक स्ट्रॉन्ग लेडी के बारे में, कि कैसे वो जमाने में 80s में एक औरत जो 67 इयर्स की थी, उसको वो टाइम पे तलाक देता है उसका हस्बैंड, एंड एट दैट एज, और वो मेंटेनेंस के लिए कैसी लड़ी।
Is it one of your cases?
Yeah, it's a very landmark case of India, wherein you know उसका वो केस का जस्ट नॉट मुस्लिम्स पे बट पॉलिटिकली बहुत बड़े रिपरकेशंस 1985 में हुए थे, जब राजीव गांधी जी प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे। सुप्रीम कोर्ट का बहुत फेमस जजमेंट है अहमद खान वर्सेस शाह बानो।
Yeah.
मैंने उसी पे बुक लिखी है, बानो भारत की बेटी, और उसी पे उसका राइट्स लिए गए वो बुक के, और उसका ड्रामेटाइज वर्जन बना है, जिसका मूवी बनी है जिसका नाम है हक।
How was it meeting Yami and husband? Because husband is also very involved in a lot of, you know, pictures that Yami does in terms of the producing of it, you know, and then Imran was on board.
Yeah.
Did you
But
know the casting and all that?
Yeah, I knew about the casting, but I have not still met them, frankly
Okay.
speaking. So I'm expecting them to meet them soon and you know, take their feedback also, because I have been told that Yami has read my book, Imran has read my book. So yes, I'm eagerly waiting to meet both of them, and whatever teaser I have seen it, I think they both have done justice to the character what I have written.
And have you watched Yami's film, Yami's Craft?
Yeah, I have watched most of her films, and she's really very good actress, no doubt about it. Very few in this time
Yeah.
who can take, you know, forward the legacy of acting, I feel so.
She also, of course, she started with the soft acting, and then she came into all thriller, drama, and action,
Yes.
which I
Crime
love.
also,
Yeah.
she did crime movies
Yeah.
also.
So that is fun. But do you miss your crime journalism back then?
I should not lie, yes, I do miss. And that's why probably I'm writing book. So जो एक passion था writing का, that is still there.
But your people और जो तब sources थे या तब journalists थे are in touch?
No, I'm not in touch with anyone. If you check my phone, my contacts, you won't find any reporters of that time. Most of them are now, yes, you guys are there who are in touch with me.
That is true. But not thought of going back to the life of that? No, na?
No, never. It's been 14 years now, 2011. So, no, I never thought of that.
ठीक है, वो नहीं तो जिग्ना जी start your YouTube and all. Maybe that you can do.
That I can do, but as writing book keeps me busy, I'm writing third book. There are 3 more books in pipeline, so just doing research for that.
Once a writer will always be a writer.
Yes,
That is the
yes.
thing, you know.
But I love that. It's like, you know, whether you call it as a passion or I get immense satisfaction writing. मुझे अच्छा लगता है, कुछ नहीं, अपने में रहो, सवेरे उठ के बैठो, पढ़ो कुछ ना कुछ, उसके पीछे रिसर्च भी बहुत लगता है, बिकॉज द बुक्स जो मैं लिखती हूँ वो अभी की नहीं है, वो बहुत पुराना भी, ये जो इंसिडेंट है 1970s और 85 का, तो आप जाओ लाइब्रेरी में, वहाँ से डिग करो, फिर पुराने लॉ के जजमेंट्स निकालो, वो रेफरेंसेस लो, क्योंकि you don't want to write what just for the sake of writing. It has to be authentic also.
And coming from you, it will be authentic. That is clear.
It has to be. Yes, it has to be.
But you did mention that, you know, the struggle of being a crime journalist or the cases and allegations which were on you, जिसके ऊपर पूरी सीरीज बन गई, do hurt that, है ना, कि यार वो थोड़ा तो कभी भी देते हैं कि, you know, still people have that perception of me कि मैं ऐसी हूँ वैसी हूँ, हालांकि you made yourself strong, but sometimes we cannot be just strong, we also want to be kid, we also want to behave childish, we also want to be like, I don't want to do it, you know, but it comes with a lot of responsibility.
I should admit it, it's been 14 years, but believe me, that stigma is still there of a murderer. There are few people, many people in society accept नहीं करती है. It is very sad also at the same time. Plus, it is very difficult also to get, as I was telling you just before we rolled, that it is very difficult to lift yourself every morning and face the society.
True.
I know you will understand this better than anybody else. But as I told you earlier, we are all strong people.
Yeah.
We have set an example and we should set an example in society कि society समाज जितना भी गिराने की कोशिश करेंगे हम लोग डबल फोर्स से खड़े होंगे and we'll prove ourselves every day that we are worth in our own way.
क्योंकि you've had a bad time in jail,
Yes.
baddest time ever, and we even say that in layman language ना कि भगवान करे पुलिस थाना या जेल तो किसी को वैसे भी नसीब ना, हॉस्पिटल पुलिस थाना ना,
I
that
swear.
but you've been there and इतना वहाँ पे इतना टंटा होता है, you've gone through that. Does that haunt you sometimes when you sleep and all that?
Yes, it does. And I just wake up and I see, no, I'm at my home. As you know, I told you, it's been 14 years.
तब भी
Big time. एक वनवास खत्म होता है, हम लोग जो बोलते हैं 14 साल का वनवास. But yes, it does haunt me a lot. It does haunt me a lot. There are certain incidents which resurfaces. याद आ जाती है वो चीज़ें वापस. अब कितना भी भूलने की कोशिश करो, कितना भी move on होने की कोशिश करो, but it's very difficult. बहुत difficult.
It's very difficult, है ना Jigna ji? You've had a successful career. There was no doubt about it of you being the topmost, best journalist of crime we could have that time. You were number one. उसके बावजूद भी, things didn't work out in your favor. There was a setback which came in. Career went down, which came in, and you were having a baby at the same time. Struggling with that as well was a thing. Is it a thing कि जो success है will go someday? We should always be prepared for that. And then after receiving the success that we wanted, we're still empty inside.
Yes. जो चीज़ ऊपर जाती है गिरती है ना.
True.
So हमको जो arrogance होती है when we become successful. I'm talking about me. I don't
course.
want to pinpoint anybody else. Everybody goes through it. And जितना आप arrogant और जितना egoistic होंगे उतने double force के साथ आप गिरोगे.
True.
जो मेरे साथ हुआ. I was very arrogant. ऐसे. सब कोई स्पीड डायल पे रहता था. Being a crime reporter, चाहे वो चीफ मिनिस्टर हो, अपने स्टेट के हो, दूसरे स्टेट के हो, होम मिनिस्टर हो, सब लोग स्पीड डायल पे रहते थे. सो एक नशा था पावर का. एंड जब गिरे तब पता चला कोई नहीं आता. एंड देन यू हैव अ रियलिटी चेक. एंड आई हैड दैट रियलिटी चेक व्हेन आई वाज इन जेल फॉर 9 months. आई रियलाइज्ड कहाँ मेरी गलती हुई. And I changed my life completely once I came out. I completely changed my lifestyle, my thought process. I just cleaned myself within also, as you said, that it is very important to be clean from inside. And it is difficult part also to accept your own flaws. मुझे मेरी कमियां accept करने में time लगा. And I worked on that. I really, this is not just because I'm trying to glorify myself. No, it is not like that. People who knows me very well, they know what I'm talking about. I can't be fake. And I know still I know that real is rejected and fake is accepted. That's how the life is.
People don't like bold and brutal people. They want
all the people who are sugarcoating everything. But that's okay. That's okay. I have a few friends on my fingertips and I'm happy with them.
है ना, गिने चुने हो पर अच्छे ढंग के
अच्छे हैं. और most important is that my family is with me and I am so grateful for that. So grateful. I keep on telling it most of the podcast everywhere that it's just family who will be standing beside you. बाकी सब लोग आते हैं जाते हैं. Family रहते हैं.
How do you enjoy it? Tell me. This Jigna we know that is very strong, that writes so well. जो किताब लिख देते फिल्म सीरीज बन जाती है.
I'm so fortunate. Yes.
है ना?
2 books and both have seen the screen adaptation.
तो वो Jigna हमें पता है, लेकिन how chulbuli and shararati you are, how desi you are. Tell me that Jigna also.
I'm very, very naughty. very naughty. I cannot speak a single sentence without any galis. Yes, you heard it right. So while I stayed in 1.5 months in
Boss.
Big Boss, so my friends outside were like glued to Big Boss, glued to TV. ये कब गाली बोलती है, कब गाली बोलती है, but मैंने somehow I controlled, but फिर भी गाली बोली मैंने और रिंकू जी ने रात को.
Yes, yes.
And we just blasted. So yes, I am very naughty, and I like cooking. So I'm more into cooking, eating, and I enjoy life to the
Traveling
fullest.
also,
A lot traveling. फिर 15 दिन में घूमती रहती हूँ. Lot into spirituality, lot into detoxifying my own self mentally as I stay alone. Yes, there are anxiety issues.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं है anxiety issues. है, but I understand it. I have 2 pet dogs, so they make my life very busy.
What is the definition of love? Like, I want to ask you this personally because a lot of people who have seen the success knows the meaning of who is busy and who's not. We get to meet some of the people who keep on saying us, I'm busy right now, and I'm like, I am in a life where I have to be, at 3
Running,
places
yes.
at the
You
same
are
day,
running
and then
around.
I have to speak everything something different to look fresh and all that is a
Yes.
tanta. And you were saying that I'm busy, I didn't get it. So you have also seen that. How do you define love?
Love is simply love, loving someone. ये सब बड़ी it's all big terms, unconditional, ये वो सब सुनने में अच्छा लगता है. But love is just giving yourself, just surrendering and accepting people as they are. And yes, you are right. Nobody is so busy. It's avoiding, Yes, because I've gone through.
Yeah.
You call 100 times and सामने वाला is not picking up the call. अरे भाई इतना तो क्या ही तुम busy हो? No, it's about priority.
True. जबकि यू बिन द इतना बड़ी जर्नलिस्ट आप रही हैं भाई, आपके तो सीएम डायल पे होते हैं.
And at times your call is ringing 24/7.
True,
and I
true.
know you must be also because your life is as a journalist like this only. But you are just waiting for that one phone call.
Yeah.
You will be making 100 calls to the person whom you want to talk to,
True.
we get an answer they are busy, and it's very unfortunately. Maybe they don't value relationships.
True. But again, problem हमारी है ना कि we are very self-esteemed people. So
नहीं, but
we
प्यार
will
होता
bear
है,
it.
प्यार होता है
वो तो
वहाँ
है
पे
जीना
हम कुछ सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
We just keep on trying our best. वही सरेंडर होता है.
That is true. But for a limit, we'll jello-fy it कि अब हो गया बहुत.
One fine day that
Yeah.
comes that now enough is enough. Now बहुत हो चुका है, and that I think is a worst situation for सामने वाला.
हाँ. अब तो भैया there is no comeback.
No, and there should not be a comeback. We should not go to the people who don't respect our feelings. This I have learned in last 14 years.
But this time rights बेचा, आपने अच्छा खासा पैसा लिया कि नहीं? देखो जरूरी है.
पैसा स्कूप में तो कुछ नहीं मिला था, बट हाँ स्कूप में नहीं मिला कुछ. अब लोगों को लगता है अरे जिग्ना ने बहुत स्कूप में पैसे बनाए हैं, बट मेरे पास प्रूफ है, मेल्स है, सब कुछ है कि कुछ नहीं बनाया. बट यस, फॉर्चुनेटली इसमें आई डिड मेक सम मनी, एंड अल्टीमेटली मनी इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर सर्वाइविंग. साध्वी तो अभी फिलहाल मुझे बनना नहीं है. Still long way to go. Yes.
पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करने की क्यों नहीं सोचा? मैंने तो आपको पहले ही पूछा ये
हाँ,
सवाल.
ये बिग बॉस के टाइम पे
Yes.
पूछा था,
कि
मुझे
भैया
याद
इतना
है.
अच्छा कमाल का करियर है, लोग जानते हैं आपको.
I don't think so. I'm made for politics. बाकी तो पता नहीं
तो फिर
किस्मत में क्या लिखा है.
जो हमारी एजेंसीज हैं, सीक्रेट एजेंसीज, उनमें कहीं पे कोई पोजीशन
नहीं
नहीं
बाबा,
इजीली
नहीं, कुछ नहीं करना है. शांति की लाइफ है, क्यों उसको बुक लिख रही हूँ,
राव
लिखने
पाव के
दो.
बाद कोई तो चाहिए हमें कि नहीं?
नहीं बुक लिख रही हूँ, अच्छे से लिखने दो ना.
ऑफर्स आए होंगे?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
नेवर, नोबडी अप्रोच.
पॉलिटिक्स के लिए आते हैं,
हाँ.
बट नो, आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. आई एम
कहाँ
नॉट.
से हैं? पार्टी के नाम तो ले ही सकते हैं.
हाँ.
शिवसेना से है आपका
ना
offer?
बाबा, कुछ नहीं, कहीं से नहीं.
You just said
मुझे
अभी
पसंद-
ऑफर आया है.
नहीं, मतलब मुझे कहीं जाना नहीं.
हाँ, that is different.
ठीक है, जैसे है वैसा. अच्छी खासी नॉर्मल लाइफ है, क्यों उसको.
But-
अच्छा खासा मैं मेट्रो और सब जगह घूमती हूँ. मेट्रो में आई डोंट ड्राइव, आई डोंट हैव कार, लोकल ट्रांसपोर्ट में घूमती हूँ. क्यों अपनी जान में वो करने का.
इससे?
अच्छे से जियो.
But tell me the situation of current India that we are seeing. You know, in general, the actual journalism is going through a lot, and we know what is
Yes.
happening. It has
Yes.
become majorly the paid media, especially the mainstream media, where we know they've got their static color schemes. Now we see what is happening to NDTV.
Yes.
Hannah, oh my god, I'm being so blunt here. You know, the head has gone from a different channel to another channel, and then the scheme has changed
Yes.
totally. How do you see this?
I'm fortunate that right now I'm not in media. That's all I can say. And beyond that, I don't want to get into any controversy.
No,
I
but
have
as a-
decided to keep quiet since last 14 years. So please don't dig too much from me.
I wanted,
Let's play safe.
as a viewer, I wanted your thing.
No, if you understand in between the line, I told that good I'm not in the media now.
Then I got that. And newspapers वगैरह पढ़ती हैं आप?
नहीं,
बिल्कुल बंद कर दिए. Especially वो जहाँ पे मैं काम करती थी. वो तो घर पे भी नहीं आता ऐसा.
न्यूज़पेपर्स आते ही नहीं है घर. आते हैं, वो मैं लेके आती हूँ पस्ती वाले के पास से जब साफ सफाई करनी है.
देखो
drawer
जरा
की.
भाई, how she is degrading it. खबरें इतनी बासी खराब हैं, इसलिए ऐसा करती हैं.
नहीं, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बुरा है इसके लिए. इट्स नॉट अबाउट खबर. यू गाइज आर रियली डूइंग फैंटास्टिक एंड हेड्स ऑफ टू यू. आप लोग को देख के मुझे अपने दिन याद आ जाते हैं. नो डाउट अबाउट इट. बट इट इज जस्ट दैट आई हैड अ बैड एक्सपीरियंस एंड समहाउ न्यूज़पेपर गिव्स मी एंजाइटी, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग. ना ही मेरा लड़का 3 साल से आउट ऑफ इंडिया है. 3 साल में मुझे लगता नहीं है मैंने टीवी भी ऑन किया है. So whatever I want to watch, I watch on mobile. News नहीं देखती मैं. मैंने अपने, I told you, I worked on myself. No negativity.
With that, what is your message to people, you know, who do have a good career and who they think as they are prime minister of their own world? That's a very big thing. I have also done that. I'm really sorry. I'm also, you know, declaring this. I have been doing this. ऐसा नहीं है. When I was also, I am still on peak, but I've done it in my way. But then realized it on the time. कि नहीं, this is wrong. You are going आदि, है ना?
Yeah.
And touch wood, I've had my bosses who are very clear on that. कि
Very
आदि, this is wrong. We don't want you to do such mistakes which we have made in our
Yes,
careers.
that's a good thing they are guiding you.
है ना? That because you're new lot.
Yes.
And every year it's a new lot,
Mm.
and you know it how it is. अब बहुत लोग आजकल एंटरटेनमेंट जर्नलिस्ट को इजीली बोल देते हैं, he dances so he'll be like that.
Oh.
It has become, but अभी क्या करें, this is the zamana of it, we can't do anything.
Yes.
But what is your message to all the people seeing you out there, especially the ladies, you know?
We as a lady, as a woman, I would like to say we are Shaktis.
Yes.
And we are so strong, so strong. Stay grounded. There is, as I told you, that Shakti is inbuilt within us.
True.
So stand up for yourself. If you can see the book what I have written, you
Yeah.
will see probably in movie also that how a 67-year-old can, you know, fight for her rights, fight for her haq, what the movie is. Then everybody can, I think so. It's just matter of time. Hold on. Believe in yourself. That is more important. And always stay grounded and humble.
True.
You should see to it that, you know, arrogance doesn't come close to you.
हाँ. With that, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so
It
much.
was lovely talking to you again. I feel very home. It's just a rishta we've carried with
Yes,
the years.
though we are meeting after 1 year, I
Yeah.
think more than that.
You
I
were
don't
traveling,
even.
Jigna.
I am traveling, I agree.
Not my fault. I tried a lot. And मुझे call, I'll tell you the history now. I called her after the podcast of Ranveer Alavadia came in and she's like, अभी मुझे कॉल कर रही है रणवीर की पॉडकास्ट है कि she's so sharp that I don't have to say right and left. She knows it why I'm calling.
Yeah, because that's why, you know, you don't call generally.
I will now. We have
And
to
you-
meet more
and I'm
often.
not, yes, we have to. And I'm not to be seen in any parties or events. So we
Ah.
don't catch up also, but we should catch up. I mean.
Rinku ji also. You're in touch with Rinku?
Yeah, I'm touching Munawar, Rinku, all our group.
Munawar?
Yeah.
ठीक है. With that, cut!